Alors, c'est Sos Kitchen. Bon paquet moun qui reconnaît mon collier là, you subscribe me. I'm very happy. Thanks very much for everything. All subscribers yo, nous connaissons moins mais non. Thank you very much. Si c'est le premier jour, n'a tombé sur channel là, make sure you subscribe. Thumb up, please.
Welcome back, everyone. So today we are making Sos Pwa Blan, which is white bean sauce. We want to thank everyone that is a subscriber. And if you're new to the channel, we just want to reintroduce ourselves. My name is Janet. I do the voiceovers, and my mom that does the cooking, her name is Soso. So welcome back, and let's get started.
Je dis à nous pour faire sauce pois blanc. OK? Moi j'aime Goya pois. M'acheter Goya pois, m'a mettre tout sur du feu. Pois blanc. Ça nous besoin pour lui, m'a mettre 2 pieds poireaux, m'a mettre 2 garlic, and then m'a mettre une tomate, n'importe tomate. And then m'a mettre 2 cuillères.
So the beans we are using are Goya Alubias. I will leave it down in the description box below. We are going to use green onions. We're also going to use a tomato as well as oil. So let's get started.
Donc pour un sachet pois, mettez 2 pieds poireaux, mettez 2 grains de garlic, une tomate, 2 cuillères d'huile.
So in a pot we used 4 cups of water. We added all the beans from the bag. We added green onions, we added garlic cloves, and we also added a tomato with 2 tablespoons of oil.
Et résultat pour 1 hour, 2 tasses d'eau. Coulier là, on va ajouter 2 tasses, 4 tasses et demi d'eau.
This is it after 1 hour. We're going to put 5 cups of water in it, and then we're going to let it boil again for another hour.
OK? C'est pour ça, coulier là, on va le blender.
So this is what it looks like after it's been boiled for the second time. And we're just going to take some of the beans and we're going to blend it. So some are going to be blended, some are not going to be blended.
Et tomato a bon une couleur rose. Si vous voulez, vous faites. Si vous ne voulez pas, vous pas mettre.
So in the blender, you can see she added the tomato and she's also adding the green onions as well to be blended with this. So after we took it out the blender, she's just going to use a strainer to make sure it goes through nice and smooth back in the original pot that she had the bean sauce in.
On va y mettre un petit sel avec un piment. That's it. Si vous voulez le petit sucre, vous pouvez mettre un petit calcium. Si vous voulez mettre un petit goût.
So now she's just going to add a little bit of salt and a Scotch bonnet pepper and let it cook for 10 to 15 more minutes. And that's it. And we're done. You can add a little bit of sugar if you want, but it's based on preference. And that's it.
10 minutes. And then that's it.
And that's the color when you mix it with the tomato.
Yeah, that's the color. That's the color. That's a nice color, pink. Little. That's the final one. Look at this one. You see? Sos Pwa Blan. Li pas blanc, blanc, blanc. Li pink. Li rose. So we met tomate là, on met li bon couleur ça. You see? That's very creamy. That's very nice. Beautiful. You see? Si vous pas voulez le couleur ça, ou pas mettre tomate là. Nice. Good food. Thanks very much. Let me call my baby. Nice. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to Sos Kitchen. Love you guys.